whether it's interim or permanent recruitment and what we do, it's always to find the right leader for the right role. Does this fit you not only professionally but personally as well? Our 20 plus 25 years plus experience shares with us that this is the best way for us to help nurse leaders. Everything from the interview preps, the resume writing, the access to our connections to the folks that we know within hospitals, our access to job opportunities, and we can often also find opportunities for individuals at every level of experience. Whether it's your first nurse manager role or your first director role. My team is broken down into two different groups, which specialize in interim and permanent leadership. The senior leadership consultants that focus on permanent leadership, they specialize in given service areas, and that benefits leaders oftentimes because they know what's important in interviews. They know what types of things should be seen on resumes. They really have a good understanding and a firm grasp of the market, not just in healthcare or in nursing leadership, but in those specific service lines. With our interim group, I think one of the things that really draws leaders into our model is the level of support that they get. They're partnered with someone else who is also an experienced nurse leader, has been a clinician. They have a leadership background as well, so they kind of have a peer partner that is working with them and the client. They have the support of their senior leadership consultant, and then we also have an individual who specializes in nothing but housing, supporting the leader with making sure that they get paid and get reimbursed and all those sorts of things, because we don't want those logistical types of things to be headaches for anybody. We want you to be able to focus on the client hospital, and most importantly the staff, the patients and their families when you're on a project. So between your senior leadership consultant, your VP partner, and then your leadership support services coordinator, there's three individuals that you can always pick up the phone and ask for help. We really pride ourselves on that level of support. The feedback we get from leaders that have worked with us for several years, they share that sets us apart.